komportable dito sa kanyang sistema, while Byron Villarreal trying to lead his team anew in this system of Coach Gerson Cabiltes, the Zamboanga Families Brand Sardines, and the Nueva Ecija Rice Band.
Both teams, talagang if you look at their head-to-head, they are division champions for a reason. All per game. It's if you, kung ayun yung quality ng team na maglalaro, alam mo maayos sila.
Zamboanga University, Michael Wico able to get Nueva Ecija on the board with those 2 free throws. Maikis, the step back. What a beauty right there, but got wrecked. And Coach Vicky Casiano did just that in getting these important pieces to form his roster for the 2023 season. Mabula kissing it off the glass. 7-4 is the count. There's one guy down here. It's Michael Wico. And because it's not the, Michael Mabulak has always been able to assert his dominance on a lot of the big men here in the MPBL. But one guy that he is having a hard time.
It's the responsibility. Kasi minsan talaga medyo nawala yung kumpiyansa Javi. Now, ngayon naglalaro na siya sa coach, na komportable siya, and also alam.
Another basket, this time from the top of the key. Score is 10-8. Maikis, he is starting this game very hot para
na umatake.
And you saw in that replay, look how Dexter Maikis was able to size up Michael Mabula. Just a couple of jab steps, stepping back once again, 4-3. Jodel advantage 16-8. Halfway through our first period. Zamboanga with another stop. Maikis is running the floor. Quarterbacking Jodel Fuentes to his running.
And with the teams also, ang maganda dito, it's just gonna get more exciting. Imagine, hindi pa natin nakikita ang Marcelino Twins.
Pass intended for the mapping. It ends up with Ali Santos. Japs Bautista, 9-shot clock.
Good move.
The Samurai percent, coach. Imagine that. 23-8. Collado finds Macaloni. Intended to slam that home.
Oo. And it starts there. Alam mo yon, 2 points. After 2 points, you get 2 points. You get a stop. You get 2 points. You get a stop. Tumatakbo right now sa isip ni Coach Gerson Cabiltes.
Fuentes, the hoop and the harm.
Okay lang ba kay Coach Vic to? But I think with all those shots kay Coach Vic, okay, being ako players coach also, na it's fine. So
shot clock. Fuentes
7 on the shot clock.
Being defended by Uilo, and
Good
that's
pass.
a pass to Andy Santos.
Yeah.
4 assists in this, involving his teammates. 30-13, 17-point lead for the Zamboanga Families Brand Sardines after the first 10 minutes.
The best, diba? And you go through to that process.
Touch pass, Japs Bautista to Chris Dumapig. Able to
Nagawa nitong Family Brand Sardines, kay doing it defensively. Alam mo yung mga defensive rotations nila, si Adi Santos, in that drop coverage, getting back to his man right away. Hindi biro yun.
And Michael Mabulak able to get good position under.
Play good defense, Javi.
And Zamboanga doing well on both ends of the floor. Will Macaloni though trying to
Na-injury na ito si Will Macaloni.
had that head-to-head collision with Imus's Leo Esguerra, but JC Marcelino team is the one holding home court advantage here. Ang dami nilang fans dito.
Oo, loose, and they're playing really loose.
That's a shot that they definitely need.
Okay, when you need to look at other things, and Coach Gerson need to dig deeper dun sa bench niya, ito ang pupuntahan niya. And what about Jodel Fuentes? Niya.
And I think because of the difficulty of the shots that he makes, hindi nakikita ng mga tao or hindi nabibigyan ng enough credit yung brilliance niya sa footwork.
Oo.
Something to fire them up.
Yes. See, he puts premium to defense. And putting premium to defense, you give more chance to toughness, Javi.
And you know, this Nueva Ecija team, they're brilliant offensively as well. But we know that offense, they do it.
3 minutes left dito sa ating second quarter. But more importantly, yung 25 points nitong Nueva Ecija. Only giving Nueva
Nueva Ecija has cut it to just 16 right now, and they get an important stop. Wico on the reverse. That's 4 straight points for the Dex Marquez. Have enough left in the tank. Wico, one man to beat, and he will finish the 2 points.
They need to do something na to parang ma-break nila yung rhythm na meron na sinasakyan ngayon nito ng Zamboanga Family Brand Sardines, and again, knowing Coach Gerson, he's focused. He knows that he's been in this situation already, and his players knows how to handle yung mga ganitong adversities, Javi.
50-34 is our score at the half. Your halftime analysis when we return. Defense and on offense, that is what they are sorely missing right now from him. A guy who could straight the ship and lead his teammates, but that man Joshua Fontanilla trying shoes that Heset Gabo left here para sa Rice Vanguards.
Yeah, another thing na that's missing right now for this Nueva Ecija team. Alam mo, yung especially ito si Michael Mabulak loves to run, Will Macaloni loves to run, pero parang nabawasan ng tagpo 4 points eh.
Marquez, we were saying
na ginagawa nitong ni Coach Vic Icasiano.
Wico getting a much needed 2 points right there, but Buanga Bautista will trigger in. Marquez passes up on the 3, couple of dribbles, 50-footer is good. He continues to sizzle here, Coach.
Yeah, it's not yet Dex Marquez proving his worth dito sa team ng Zamboanga Family Brand Sardines.
Wico is trying his best to carry his team.
Trademark ni Heset Gabo na kay tulad doon kay Josh Fontanilla is doing a lot good already. Pero alam naman natin hindi pa kilala.
Still scoreless in this game from the outside. Bautista, one man to beat, sidestep. He finishes for 2.
Parang ayun na yung
advantage here for Zamboanga. Fontanilla will stop on a dime, knocks down that jumper. Performance. Nueva Ecija get another stop. Fontanilla tries to separate himself from Marquez.
This is what is expected from this Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards team. You need to bleed sa bawat spot na iaat.
No. 2 twins conniving on that play, but JV just could not finish. Fontanilla now.
Look at Joshua Fontanilla.
At 6 straight points. On to the other side, Tabi, that's short, gets his own miss. JV will attack, leaves it for Adi Santos. That's 2 points para sa Zamboanga.
Again, look at how this Nueva Zamboanga Family Brand Sardines run back in transition.
Mula sa 13 points itong Nueva Ecija. JV once again to Adi.
Again, the patient.
Tabi from the left wing, that's too strong. Look at Adi Santos getting the putback over 3 Nueva Ecija. Mabulak now. Palma is free on the cut. Gets the couple of lucky bounces by Adi Santos. That's just all heart for the former UE Red Warrior. Now down to just a 12-point lead from a 16-point advantage at the half. 69-57. Fourth and final quarter sa aming pagbabalik.
Wala lang, it's all big thanks to our founder, to our CEO na grabe pa rin, grabe yung suporta niya, Javi.
And because of that support, hindi naman sa pinahiyaan ng mga team. Everybody really raising the intensity in just our preseason Kaya naman talagang excited na excited. I'm personally very excited. See Marcelino, there's that chemistry formed from birth, but just could not finish. Villarreal leaves it for Macaloni.
Yeah.
This is now the closest.
Vanguards. Yung 45 cut kay off that weak side.
Yeah, we actually haven't really seen a very fluid Nueva Ecija offense in this game. JC Marcelino.
Diretsong-diretso, Avi.
Mabulak. Oh, that's a block by JC. Biton gets the loose ball. That's 2 points para kay Chris.
Di ba? You know naman, Javi, rebounding is all about just effort.
Trailing. Chris on the floor. Short
Still
on the
no
layup. Mabulak finally gets the 2. Wico steals that basketball, leaves it for Collado. A lot of point-blank misses for Nueva Ecija in this game, but Collado able to... Villarreal flares. Jab, dribble to the left. Collado free for 3. Yes, sir!
So it's Jay Collado. See them running any. Pero ang mabigat dito, yung tulungan at saka yung samahan.
JC Marcelino. Oh, out. Collado. 1 dribble. 3-point shot, no good this time. Wico working hard on the glass. Gets the bounce on that layup. We're now under 2 minutes.
And this guy.
Marcelino, that could have been big. Mike Hesno, his first score of the 4th quarter. And it's already Fuentes. That could have been the dagger. Mabulak, the pitch out ahead. Bitoon, shovels to Balocanag. As they can. 5 on the shot clock. Nueva Ecija gets the steal. Fontanilla pulls up, short floater. Able to trickle in. 8-point lead. Less than 30 seconds remaining here.
I think that's
Nueva
it.
Ecija needs to foul. But it looks like Zamboanga is well on their way to avenging last season's loss in the championship. That was a 3-1 win in the final series by Nueva Ecija in last season's finals. But right now, the rivalry has been rekindled here in the preseason. And Zamboanga moving on to win our 2023 MPBL preseason invitational.
Actually, Javi, in every tournament, there is always a story. Okay. Now, with our